Good day, should I get my hair cut like that? Good day, should I get my hair cut like that? Sorry about that, I had a mental retardation mode there. But today is actually my birthday. And yes, at this exact moment in time that I'm sitting on the toilet today, this exact moment in time, 32 years ago, I was born. Good day. It's gonna be a great day. I would just like to say that I fucked myself here on my birthday because I chose to announce and say thank you. If I mucus nasal, cut the film. I forgot what I was gonna say. It was a bad choice for me to announce that it was my birthday and say thank you for all the birthday wishes while sitting on the toilet because now my phone will not stop blowing up. And I appreciate all the well wishes, but my legs are numb. And I have pins and needles in my feet now. So, with that said, I'm going to start my day by just getting up. I didn't wipe my butt. Okay, now, got the film. I'm going to listen to Kevin MacLeod's Perspectives, which is probably one of my favorite songs from his royalty-free library. I'm going to have a massage, and even though it's raining today, I'm still going to go for an 11-mile walk, because when I say I'm going to be the fastest man to walk across America in 2016, I'm not fucking around. To everybody who doubts me, that's the biggest mistake you could ever do in your life. Because I'll run circles around you and make you look foolish. Okay, I'm done. Foolish. Foolish is a funny word. I have a thing on my forehead. I was going to cut the film. I was going to say that I have a dot on my forehead, and there's nothing wrong with saying I have a dot on my forehead, and there's nothing wrong with that. And I respect everybody's religious beliefs and their religions and their ethnicities, for that matter as well. Kevin MacLeod's Perspectives, great song. I have a calendar. That one's questionable. It's questionable. I was sitting here thinking about it. I do sincerely not mean anything when I use the word retarded. I know people who have children who are severely mentally. You gotta be fucking. I look like a poor man's Forrest Gump, and I also look absurd. I look like a poor man's Forrest Gump, and I also look absurd. I look absurd. We're done. As you can hear behind me, my Reebok pumps, which I got soaking wet yesterday because I parked in a puddle. They're drying, but since it's my birthday, I decided that I'm going to test out my boots and just walk into the Pacific Ocean. Why? Because I can. That's all. I just want to walk into the Pacific Ocean on my 32nd birthday because I can. I'm the most interesting man on earth. Alright, maybe this is a bad fucking idea because I'm really just pretending like I'm walking. Okay, now it's really a bad idea because I don't know if tree branches are gonna fall. I'm still faking it. Should be a fucking actor. That guy's looking at me funny. I'm not only the most interesting man on the face of the earth, I'm also a complete dumbass. So, on that note, I'm gonna take shelter behind this wall. I may have to Uber home. Fuck me. I'm gonna look out for trees here and stop fucking around. Alright, behind me, probably right in that garage, is where they captured the most wanted fugitive in America, Whitey Bulger, which the movie Black Mass was about, here at 1012 3rd Street in Santa Monica, California. So, Yes, there's probably FBI, cars, and all that shit right there. That's where that happened. It was a $2 million reward. I'm a genius whiz kid. I am the smartest man, interesting man in the world. I'm literally hunkering down in a parking garage. There's a guy in that car, and he's like, what the fuck? I'm now not hunkering down in a parking garage because I felt weird. Fuck yeah. It's a great birthday already. Fuck yeah. Just taking refuge with the pigeons. Because pigeons and humans take refuge. Here I am on the Venice boardwalk, and if I'm not mistaken, this was the Snapchat headquarters. Look it up. It's not anymore, but that used to be the Snapchat headquarters. I should win $1 million fucking dollars for being great. Fuck. That is where I tattooed my face onto my ass. I just walked by that eyesore, and maybe want to burn my eyeballs from my scalp. Muscle Beach. There's no dedication. Try saying that 7 times twice. What the fuck did I just say? Alright, this is a fucking long walk. Fuck! My waterproof boots are not waterproof. Happy 32nd birthday to me and to everybody else who shares a birthday today. This is the end of the vlog. Good day. I just made a poor life decision. Cut the film. I still want to gouge my eyeballs out of my scalp with a spoon. Birthday's still awesome, still going well. Fuck yeah.